In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log your sent email to Hubspot CRM. We'll cover this in just 5 minutes, so let's dive right in. To begin, open your preferred web browser and head over to the HubSpot website. This is the central hub for all your business software and tools. Once you're there, locate the login button, typically at the top right corner of the homepage, and click on it. Enter your login credentials such as your email and password and proceed to access your account. Now that you're logged in, you'll find yourself on HubSpot's homepage. From here, we need to navigate to the settings menu to adjust the email login configurations. Look for the settings icon, which usually resembles a gear or cogwheel, and click on it. After accessing the settings area, the next step is to find the email section within the preferences. Scan through the available categories or use the search bar to make this process quicker and simpler. Click on email once you've located it. In the email settings, you'll want to proceed to the email logging settings. This section allows you to customize how your emails are tracked and logged in the CRM system. Look for the link or button that corresponds to email logging settings and click on it. This action will bring you to a more detailed configuration page. Within this new page, your focus should be on the email log and track settings. This is where you can configure the specifics of how your sent emails are recorded in HubSpot. Click on the email log and track section to open up the options. Keep in mind that configuring these settings correctly is crucial for ensuring that your sent emails are effectively logged in HubSpot, helping maintain a comprehensive record of your communication. As you adjust these settings, you'll notice various options for tracking and logging. These controls allow you to tailor the email logging process to suit your business's needs. Once you're satisfied with the configurations, make sure to save any changes you've made, typically by clicking a Save button at the bottom of the settings page. And there you have it, you've successfully configured the settings to log your sent emails into HubSpot CRM. This process not only helps keep your client interactions well documented, but also enhances your ability to manage and analyze communications over time. Ensuring that every step is executed correctly will provide you with seamless tracking for all your email exchanges. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial has made managing your email correspondence in HubSpot a bit easier. If you found this helpful, don't forget to share it with your network, and feel free to explore other HubSpot features to maximize your business productivity. Until next time, have a great day.